guys, today we are talking about the remaining part of statements in Java. We have already studied what is a statement in Java, what it means, and the various types of statements in Java. There are four types of statements in Java. The first one is if statement. We have already seen the example and definition and its structure. The second one, if else statement. This also we have covered. The third one is if else if statement or ladder statement. And the fourth one is switch statement. See, we will see here what is if else if ladder statement. In if statement, what happens? It is nothing but when condition is true, it returns boolean value true or false. In if else statement, when condition is true, if block is executed, when condition is not true, else block is executed. But in if else if ladder statement, condition is one, but statements are multiple. Okay. So in this case, what we will need to do? When condition is true, the only one statement is when condition is true. When condition is true, that statement is going to execute. Statement is going to execute. Example, I am taking one student. He has to pass in his exam. Minimum 30 marks is passing mark. The condition is 30 marks. Okay. If condition is greater than 20, okay, what it means? I will put one statement here. System dot out dot println. What statement I am going to put? Failed. This statement I have to print here. Else, another condition I will put. Else if, okay, again condition I will put. Marks is condition is less than or equal to 30. I'll print one more statement here. Okay, I'll put one more statement here. System dot out dot print ln of past. But here less than or equal to 30. Whether it is going to print this one, we will see in practical. Again, else if the condition is greater than is greater than or equal to 25. And okay, 30 I will put simply, and condition is less than or equal to 40. So during this time, what you need to print here? System dot out dot print ln of second class. This statement you are going to print here. And also, else if condition is greater than 40 or equal to 40, and condition is less than or equal to 50. During this time, what I am going to print here? System dot out dot print ln of first class. Like this, we have to check practically in our program. So I am going to open the NetBeans, and here I am going to create one class here. Java class, ladder statement. Okay, finish. The ladder statement is our class name, public class name. Okay. Here compulsory we need to take one main method, public static void main. PS V.m, control shift enter. Inside this, if I take any variable name, means it is called local variable. Integer marks. Marks is local variable. Marks is 60. I am taking here. So what is ladder statement? If else if statement. If else if statement. Okay. First I will put here if marks is greater than or equal to 55. I am going to print here one statement. System dot out dot print ln of just pass, or I will take D grade. No, fail here. I think first I will take less than 60. Okay. Otherwise 30 simply we will print here. 30 marks is enough, no, to get the pass mark. So fail here. Fail. Now else if marks is greater than or equal to 30. system dot out dot print ln just pass. Okay, curly bracket, else if, here curly bracket open and close. Inside this again I will take one more, else if my marks is greater than, okay, 30 and less than 40. So what should I print here? Else if marks is less than or equal to 30 and marks is greater than 30. Here I am printing is greater than 30. Okay, is, I will print here 40. System dot out dot print ln B grade, A grade, B grade. So we will print this one. We will check what kind of output we are getting here. Just plus because the marks is greater than or equal to 30. If my marks is greater than or equal to 40, so what kind of output we are getting here? No output, because the condition is 30. So we will see when we put 20, no output. So when one condition is passing, when one condition is matching with multiple statements, that condition and that block is going to execute here. This is called if else if ladder statement.